So guys, welcome to another video, and today we are not gonna do a vlog, but today I'm gonna review this product over here. This is a Timekettle. It's basically translation earbuds. This one can translate up to 40 languages, and it's a great way to have a conversation with someone in a different language. So next to 40 languages, these earbuds can also translate up to 94 accents. And if you don't have Wi-Fi, if you don't have data, no problem. These earbuds can translate up to 13 different languages offline as well. So a few of the translation modes. The first one is one-on-one. That's when both of the people wears an earbud and you can have a natural conversation. Next is listen and play mode. It's when you're just alone. You just say something in your language and it will be translated in your earbud in a different language. Next we have also a media translation. It translates phone calls, online video meetings and audio content. Last we have the speaker mode. It's basically when you wear the earbud while listening to the phone's speaker. So what I like about the case is that they are magnetic, as you can see over here. Also the case and the earbuds, you can get them in a blue or a golden color. Then in the box we have a user's guide, got the earbuds, we have a cover for the earbuds to make it softer, and of course the charger. At the moment the earbuds are around $380, but definitely worth the investment. Also the translation has an average accuracy of 98% and also super quick as well, super smooth, because it translates in under 0.2 seconds. And the battery has a duration of 4 hours. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna test it out with someone else. Let's go. So I'm gonna give one earbud to someone else, set a language for each earbud and try to have a conversation. Let's go. Oh, hello. What's your name?
Hello, anong pangalan mo?
Ako ay si Mary.
I am Mary.
Nice to meet you, Mary.
Ikinagagalak kitang makilala, Mary.
Ako rin.
Me too.
You look very beautiful. Can I take you out for a drink?
Ang ganda mo. Pwede ba kitang yayain na uminom?
Sige ba?
All right.
Perfect. I will get your number.
Perpekto, kukunin ko ang iyong numero.
Sure ba?
Thank you so much. I will text you later.
Maraming salamat, ite-text kita mamaya.
Walang anuman.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. So guys, as you can see, these translation earbuds are super handy. Not only when you're traveling and meeting new people with a different language, also a great way to learn a new language and to learn new cultures as well. Anyways, you can go in the description and use my discount code as well and get your own earbuds. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Bye.